Hello everybody and welcome to another Mystery Box Function Challenge. In the purple mystery box there is some math and your challenge is to figure out what it is. If you'd like to try this out on your own, you can use the link in the description, and when you've got an idea, come on back and see if we get the same thing. All right, let's start with a 0. Okay, so 0 gives us 11, not on the graph. Let's keep going in the positive direction for a moment. Oh, and now we're at 22 when we put in 1. How about a 2? Okay, I'm seeing a pattern already. I'm just going to put in a 3. So I have a hunch about this one already. Have you? I'm going to put in some negative numbers, and I think they're going to get pretty small. Okay, so that's 5.5, and then how about a negative 2? And a negative 3. Yeah, there we go. I'm going to put in a negative 9. And getting pretty close to that y-axis, although not quite on it. So what do you think we've got here? I think this is an exponential. And the clue I had first was that we had 11 and then 22 and then 44 and then 88. All of those steps we're multiplying by 2, we're doubling. And that means we've got 2 to the x power in here somehow. And then this shape confirmed that. We've got this arm that kind of rises quickly to the right, but hugs the x-axis over here on the left. So we've got 2 to the x going on. This is an exponential. It's not just 2 to the x, because if you put in a 0, anything to the 0 power should be 1. And we got 11. And what that means is we're just multiplying everything by 11. That's my thought. Let's see if that works. If we put in 2 to the first power, so we're putting in our 1, multiply that by 11, well, that's 11 times 2, that's 22. If you put in 2 to the second power times 11, that's 4 times 11, that's 44, and that's exactly what we're getting. Let's try a negative one just to test. So 11 times 2 to the negative 1 power. Well, that's going to be 1 over 2. So 11 times 1 over 2 is 11 halves. That is 5.5. So I think we got this. It's 11 times 2 to the x. And let's go ahead and reveal. Yeah, 11 times 2 to the x, and we can graph that as well. And you see that exponential curve? It's just a little higher over here on the left than we're used to because of that big multiplier. Well, how did that go for you? Did you think exponential? Let me know. Thanks, everybody.